In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use UiPath and navigate through its basic workflow. If you're just starting with UiPath, this guide will walk you through the key steps to get up and running with your first automation. First things first, let's get UiPath Studio installed. This is the development environment where you'll build all your automations. Begin by downloading UiPath Studio from the official website. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure your computer meets the system requirements to ensure a smooth installation process. Once UiPath Studio is installed, open it, and let's move on to creating a new project. In UiPath, you typically work with what is called a process project. To create one, go to the Start section in UiPath Studio and choose New Project. Select Process from the available templates, give your project a meaningful name, and provide a description if necessary. This sets the foundation for the automation you'll be developing. Designing an automation in UiPath is both intuitive and powerful. Begin by dragging activities from the Activities panel onto your workflow. The Activities panel is a rich library of actions that UiPath can perform. Some of the most common activities include Open Browser for navigating to web pages, Click for mouse click actions, Type into for entering text, and Get text for extracting data. You'll also find Read Range for working with Excel sheets and Send Outlook mail message for email communications. Each activity can be customized to fit your needs by setting its properties accordingly. Recording actions can save a lot of time and bring precision to your automation. Use UiPath's recorder feature to capture your interactions like clicks and typing. The great thing about the recorder is that it automatically generates activities based on your recorded actions, making it ideal for repetitive tasks. Working with variables is essential in any automation project. In UiPath, you can store data such as names, dates, or any text you've extracted using variables. For instance, you might use a string variable to store a customer's name or an integer variable to track the number of invoices processed. Defining variables correctly ensures your automation can handle dynamic data inputs and outputs efficiently. Adding logic to your workflow enhances its decision-making capabilities. You can employ activities like if for conditional statements, for each to iterate over collections, while for loops, switch for multiple conditions checking, and try-catch for error handling. This allows your automation to adapt to different scenarios and handle errors gracefully. Testing is a crucial step in the development process. Before finalizing your workflow, click Run to execute it within UiPath. Use breakpoints and the output panel to debug any issues you encounter. This process helps ensure everything is working as expected before you move on to deployment. Once you're satisfied with your automation, it's time to publish it. You can publish your process to UiPath Orchestrator, which is a server-based platform that allows you to manage, monitor, and control automated tasks and processes. From there, you can schedule unattended executions or trigger automations based on specific events, ensuring your tasks are completed on time and without manual intervention. And there you have it. You've just learned the basics of using UiPath. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating efficient and effective automations that can save time and reduce errors in your business processes. Thanks for joining us today, and happy automation.